My kids have been with CodingZen for 3 months now. They've done the first module. My son is in grade 5 and my daughter is in grade 3. This is really their first experience with coding, and I think they've had a wonderful time. We've been very satisfied as parents because they are really enjoying what they are doing. It seems that the way the classes are being structured and the way the instructors are, the kids really get to understand the concepts very well. The teaching method is such that it's a lot of fun for them. They get to make interesting games and projects. So we don't have to tell them at home to finish their homework. And I can really see how much they learn, how excited they've been, and how great a relationship they've had with their instructors at CodingZen. I have a slight background in programming, so I can understand that the modules have been structured really, really well. And by the time they've just finished their first module, and by the time they finish their second module, I think they will have a very good understanding of basic programming using Scratch, and hopefully in the later modules it will be even better. I can't endorse it enough. I think this has been fantastic. Thanks to Varun and Priyanshu and Preeti ma'am. This is great. So more power to CodingZen.